Good morning, guys. Anyways, so right now I'm over here editing my video, and I just noticed that I don't know if I never click record or if I forgot to record the intro. Honestly, I don't remember. So I guess this is gonna be my intro. So yeah, I'm gonna be waxing my pussy. No, I don't think I forgot to record my video because I remember saying this. So I'm gonna be waxing my pussy with this brand. I'm gonna leave it the name right here. I don't wanna pronounce it wrong. And well, yeah, it's gonna be linked down below in the description box if you wanna purchase it. If not, then that's fine. But I like it. I like using it. It's really strong. It makes my hairs, really fast. Well, it's one of the best hard wax that I have used in my journey waxing myself. So if you want to see how I wax myself, then please keep on watching. Thank you, and sorry about the intro. I don't know what happened to the other video because it's not on my phone, on my computer. Yeah, that sucks. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull my first strip. Okay, 1, 2. It take off a lot of hair, but there's a lot of hair behind. Let me show you. You guys see, usually my hairs are longer than this, like a lot longer. What do you guys think? So on my last video, I got a couple of questions asking how often I do this, and yeah, I think that was the only question. Anyways, oh my god, I keep touching my shirt. Anyways, so I try to do, I'm gonna leave it like this. I try to wax myself every 4 to 5 weeks. Honestly, it's more like 5 weeks, but you should do it every 4 weeks. I'm gonna try to start waxing myself more often. I don't want to let my hairs too long anymore. I don't know, like, just the feeling of knowing like there's no hair down there, it's like so relaxing. So whenever like my hairs start growing, I'm just like, damn, man, like, why are they not taking longer to grow? I just love being hairless now. Like, I do. I love it. I love it. I don't have to worry about anything. I think I added too much wax on my last spot, but whatever. So I have, let me stand weird so this can dry all together. I have 4 spots that I need to pull. What I was saying, so if you guys have any question for me, please leave them down in the comments and I'm gonna answer them on the next video. I try to wax myself, like I said, every 4 to 5 weeks down here, and then my armpits. So I've been waxing my armpits longer and more consistently. My bad. So the hair grows slower. So my armpits, I wax them every probably like 6 weeks, depending how long my hairs are, or if I had to do something and I want to wear like a cute top. If not, I'll leave them like that for a while, honestly. And yeah, I got my sister into waxing, so that's great. Let me get you guys into waxing. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull the one I have on my leg. You guys see when I tell you guys my hairs are not long this time, but I do have a bunch of hairs, that for sure. Ooh, this hurt. I'm loving this waxing, honestly. Oh my god, guys. Hell nah. Okay, 1, 2. It took all the damn hairs plus some blood plus some more. I have a little wax left. Okay, I love how faster I can do this now. Love it. Okay, I have 5 little spots that I need to pull. I'm gonna go ahead and pull. 1. I only put this one because I needed to get those little hairs. You guys see the texture of my damn skin? I'm not sure why it looks like that, but it hurt. Like that. What is that? My skin? What is that? Okay. What the hell was that though? Why can't I get these damn hairs? Look at this. There's more hairs behind. I just don't get it. Oh my god. Damn, that was my lip and it hurt. Why does it look like this though? Like this. Let me check my pussy. I'll be right back. Okay, I have these little hairs on my belly bottom. So yeah, why on your skin it always looks like you have more hairs, but whenever like you actually take them off, it doesn't seem like you have that many hairs. I like the color of the wax though. Ooh, damn, this hurt. Oh my god, this one is going to hurt too. It's on my lip. Oh shit. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Okay, I'm getting close to the end. Somewhat, not really, to be honest. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of the wax, and then I'll come back with you guys to pull. Okay, I have little spots to pull. Oh my god, this one really hurt. Oh my god, and even bled a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna put this one that is gonna hurt. Oh my god, it's going to hurt. Hold on. Okay, this one is going to hurt. Okay. Oh, okay. Little by little, cause damn. Oh, okay. I put twice already. One last pull and oh fuck. Oh. Damn, my hands are sweating with this one. Oh my god. Okay, I think one more and I'm all done. But I need to see with the damn mirror. Okay. I'm gonna try not to use too much wax. Okay, so I have this little, oh my god, it's going to hurt. It's going to hurt. Let me stand. Oh, got some wax on my hand anyways from the other little spot. Look at this, guys. That's crazy. It's hot in here. I don't know if I'm hot. I'm sweating my ass off. Okay, guys, so I just finished it up off camera. I thought it was gonna take longer, but I didn't. Thank God my pussy is so waxed. It came out perfect, clean. But yeah, ready to use. But yes, guys, thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for taking the time of your day and watch one of my videos. If you want to go ahead and purchase the wax and the hot pad that I use for this video, is gonna be linked down below. You can get it from Amazon. I love it. Been using it now non-stopping, and I love it. You don't burn yourself. The wax is hard, like it will pull your hair, it will pull it for sure. 100% recommended it. And by the way, earlier I was warming up some flautas and I burned myself with the air fryer and it burns. But yes, guys, thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for taking the time of your day and watch one of my videos. I do appreciate that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channels. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I will answer them on my next video. It's gonna be waxing my armpits. But yes, guys, I guess I see you guys in my next video. Bye.